Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural solutions to common health issues. Today, we're diving into a topic that many men face but often hesitate to discuss: erectile dysfunction. But fear not, as we bring you 11 natural foods that work like Viagra to enhance your intimate moments. But nowadays, it's simple to find medicines on the market that can increase the strength of your erection. So, there's no reason to settle for something artificial when you can simply solve your problem with fresh food and minerals and vitamins. Before we jump into the recipes, let's explore these fantastic food options. Pomegranate. This fruit gives you more energy and makes it easier for you and your partner to have a romantic night. Pomegranate juice functions similarly to Viagra and has no negative side effects, being that it is natural. Because of its high antioxidant content, your genital area will receive more blood flow. Watermelon. Studies show that watermelon is one of the best fruits that functions exactly like Viagra. Watermelon's citrulline calms down blood vessels, generates arginine, and produces nitric oxide. Your sexual life depends on nitric oxide because it strengthens your erection and elevates your emotions. Green vegetables. You can also take spinach, cabbage, and other leafy green vegetables in place of Viagra. It is high in nutrients with minerals and vitamins. According to researchers, vitamin E releases hormones that promote fulfilling intimacy and raises your energy levels. Ginger. Ginger is a common ingredient in Indian cooking and has anti-inflammatory qualities that enhance blood flow. Additionally, it can raise testosterone levels, which are necessary for a strong libido. Honey. Honey is a symbol of vigor and sweetness that has been connected to sensuality and love throughout history. It has boron, a mineral that can help with the way testosterone and estrogen are metabolized. Dark chocolate. Due to its high flavanol content, which facilitates easier blood flow throughout the body, dark chocolate is one of the best foods for a strong erection. Dark chocolate can cause weight gain, though, as it frequently contains high levels of fat and sugar. Strawberries. Berries have similar effects to Viagra. It enhances sperm quality and is high in vitamin C. Banana. A banana's high potassium content stimulates blood flow. This fruit contains vitamin B, which gives you more energy and allows you to work in bed longer. Additionally, it raises testosterone. Nuts and dry fruits. High energy is the primary cause of fulfilling intimacy. Vitamin B3, which is abundant in nuts, raises sperm quality and energy levels. Spicy, hot foods. A little hot sauce or a habanero on the side may aid in achieving an erection because hot peppers contain capsaicin. Men with higher testosterone levels were found to eat more hot foods, according to French researchers. Additional research has also revealed a clear link between men's symptoms of low testosterone and the ease of achieving and sustaining an erection. You might want to eat a lot of the foods listed above if you have ED. When you are stimulated, they may facilitate the flow of blood to your penis more easily. They might also result in a healthier lifestyle overall and help the remainder of your circulatory system and organs. Avocados. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fats, vitamin B6, and folic acid, which boost your energy levels. The most crucial vitamin, B6, aids in men's hormone production. The secret to a strong sex drive is avocados. Recipes for natural Viagra. Do you want to know how to make natural Viagra? Scientists and health experts clarify that watermelon juice is a natural Viagra in and of itself. A report published on healthyfoodstar.com claims that men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction experience an increase in libido when they consume watermelon. A study in the journal Urology revealed that the watermelon sertraline contains amino acids. This enhances blood flow throughout the penis as well, and it does so without any of the negative effects of Viagra. This fruit is good for those who suffer with impotence because it contains a lot of vitamin C, 92% water, and both. For our first recipe, you'll need 1/4 watermelon, 1 lemon, 1 pomegranate. Method: place all the ingredients in a blender and thoroughly mix them. After pouring the juice into the bottle, refrigerate it. How to eat: take 1/3 cup of the juice on an empty stomach every morning. Do the same thing right before dinner. This natural and healthful juice will greatly increase the blood flow in your intimate area and enhance your ability to function in bed. Anyone can use this mixture because it has no negative effects. Moving on to our second recipe. You'll need 1/2 watermelon, 10 or 12 strawberries, 1 lime and 1 lemon. Method: place the watermelon in a blender and process until it becomes liquid. Add the strawberries, lime, and lemon to it and grind it well. After pouring the juice into the bottle, refrigerate it. How to eat: take 1/3 cup of the juice on an empty stomach every morning. Do the same thing right before dinner. This natural and healthful juice will greatly increase the blood flow in your intimate area and enhance your ability to function in bed. Anyone can use this mixture because it has no negative effects. There you have it, 11 natural foods and 2 simple recipes to boost your bedroom performance. Remember, these foods not only enhance your intimate moments, but also contribute to a healthier lifestyle overall. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.